Hey everybody, it's Jewelyn and my grandma Janet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our weekly series Clean with me. In today's video, I want to go ahead and highlight my beautiful red Congo Philodendron, which might be one of my largest houseplants in my collection. So we're coming to where the plant lives for today's video. So this is gonna be a very fun video. Before we head back to Las Vegas, I wanted to dedicate a whole episode to my beautiful red Congo Philodendron, which I actually purchased in Las Vegas for, I want to say, grandma, believe it or not, like $15 on sale. This has probably maybe doubled size wise for me. Clean with me video, we will also be giving more soil to this plant baby because it has kind of grown out of the planter.
Yes.
So I want to go ahead and fill up the planter with more soil with worm castings in it and then give it some fertilized water. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now grandma wanted to go ahead and wipe down the plant first. Before we go ahead and clean the plant with paper towel, coconut oil, water, what did you want to do for the philodendron, grandma?
We need to dust it off first because it's a lot of residues and
from the tree above us.
Yes.
So it's super dusty. So grandma decided that we should go ahead and wipe down the plant first. Kind of dust it off with just a dish
clean
towel.
from the top down because that way the rubbish don't fall on the clean one.
Got it, grandma, got it. Also, this is a perfect time to go ahead and just check the health of the plant. I know there's been a couple of plant babies in my collections. As you can see, it's super dusty. So I just want to go ahead and check the health of the plant if there's any bugs. Woo! Super dusty, grandma. Just dusting off the plant first with a towel before we go ahead and clean the plant. I can't wait to see this plant shine on us, literally, because this is such a stunning plant and one of my prized plants in my collection. So I have the coconut oil and water here. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through each leaf, which is gonna be super fun. What a treat for my plant baby.
For sure, so sad in the corner.
I know, but this plant, grandma, still gets a lot of love. But we have not forgotten about you, red Congo. You are just as important as George. They're both like my biggest plants in my collection, I want to say. And I will film my top 10 largest plants in my collection. And this will be one of them. So this is a fun episode dedicated to my red Congo, who definitely needed some TLC. What do you think, grandma?
Oh,
Yeah.
100%.
It's your day today, red Congo. So stunning. Take a look at this. Isn't this such a beautiful plant? I'm glad that I was able to rescue it from the Las Vegas heat. Right now, guys, currently in Las Vegas, it's over 100 degrees. Here in Santa Monica, it's like low 70s during the day and sunny. So world of a difference for plants. How many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 beautiful leaves on this plant. Grandma's going in. My red Congo Philodendron, guys, definitely gives me jungle vibes. Here's its newest leaf. Look at how pretty this is. So pretty. Through the plant, as you can see, look at that. Isn't that crazy, grandma? Like the size of its leaves. Here's its newest baby. Look at nice, shiny, and beautiful. Love that. I see a couple aerial roots down there. We definitely needed to do this for the pink red Congo Philodendron. How's it going on your side, grandma?
Very good.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Poor thing, it needed some TLC. This one needs work on too, grandma. Love it. Looks good. This plant is bigger than me. So as you can see, it was pretty dirty. Poor philodendron. Hopefully it'll give me new growth. This has actually been giving me new leaves, Grandma, right? Since I've had it in my collection. It lives full-time here in the corner of my patio, which is living next to my beautiful spider plant and my bird's nest fern. They're buddies. They all live together in the same corner. So I think that takes care of all of the leaves. World of a difference, Grandma?
Oh, big time. Yeah. Wow, this says I'm alive.
So the clean with me portion is done. I just want to go ahead and give it some TLC while we're here. I want to go ahead and fill up the planter and top it off with more soil and give it some fertilized water. This planter is so big and heavy that it doesn't move from this area. So Grandma's just giving the bird bath and the planter some TLC. I have my soil bin here. Hey, Grandma, if you can hold back the leaves so I can go ahead and fill up the planter. I have some worm castings in here and some fresh houseplant soil. I'm just gonna go ahead and top it off. I think it's gonna be a lot happier.
Some more, so I can use my hand and bring them in the bag.
What do you think about that?
Okay.
Should we have it more upright in the center here, Grandma? There. So now that my red Congo Philodendron is shining, clean, and topped off with some fresh soil and worm castings, I want to go ahead and give it some fertilized water, which I think is the perfect time.
Wow, happy she.
And here you go, guys. So I hope you enjoy Clean with Me featuring my grandma and my red Congo Philodendron. Sound off down below what would you like to see us clean next for next week's video. But thank you so much, Grandma, for helping me with today's project. And Grandma, what do you think about my red Congo?
Love them because such a unique and grown giant plant.
Jungle vibes.
Yes. So
definitely needed some TLC. This is probably my biggest philodendron in my collection, which is fun to think. So if you guys want to see us clean more philodendrons in the future, we already did our beautiful George. He's looking handsome, so I thought it'd be appropriate to go ahead and give a moment for my red Congo Philodendron. If you want to see my grandma back on the channel, sound off down below in the comments. Also, let me know if you're cleaning your plants along with us. What plants are you cleaning? So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I really enjoyed this episode of Clean With Me, Grandma. Not only did we clean this plant baby, but we gave it some fertilized water and topped it off with some fresh soil. So that was really fun for the plant and for the channel. If you're new, welcome. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California.
Aloha.
Bye.
Bye.